been a rot hell, like, because I am very strange. Now it's my turn. Better than rot. If you don't know me, then I am a cabin crew. मेरे कपड़े नहीं सूख पा रहे भाई. Like I think it's the trauma that I'm getting from Delhi. आता है और मैं बहुत ही broke थी तो मैंने नहीं खरीदा. बहुत सुंदर लोग हो गया, बहुत सुंदर, एकदम आग लग गई. कमर मेरे ना कंधे दर्द कर रहे हैं. I think I'm going to the gym too much. I mean, looks really nice. So yeah, we done. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a video finally because इतने दिनों से like since past 3 days I am not doing anything. मुझे ये नहीं पता चल रहा दिन कब हो रही है, रात कब हो रही है. Why am I wearing? मैं कल लिटरली शाम को 5 बजे सोई, उसके बाद मैं रात को 12 बजे उठी हूँ. I don't know what I'm doing. It's like my mind is fucked, and every day I'm just thinking that I'll shoot this video, I'll shoot that video, I'm writing ideas, I'm writing what kind of content I want to create, this, that, blah blah, and I've been so me on YouTube. मतलब मैं पता नहीं कहाँ गायब थी YouTube से इतने दिनों के लिए, और मैं अभी ऐसे बात करूँ जैसे हाँ I have millions of subscribers and all shit, but never mind, one day soon. So if you don't know me, hi, my name is Soumya. My channel is called Such a Strange Girl, and you're watching Such a Strange Girl because I am very strange. This video is about makeup tutorial. I can't believe I'm doing this. Like when I was a kid, I used to watch videos on YouTube. Makeup tutorial, get ready with me. Come, let's do like makeup, everyday makeup, and blah blah. So I was like, now it's my turn. And I have zukham, और मुझे इतना गंदा feel हो रहा है. It's like I feel so bad. Better than dry. Okay, so this video is about gonna be a makeup tutorial, like everyday makeup that I do, or which you can also do, though I don't wear makeup every what the fuck. So like I don't wear makeup every day, but हाँ कभी मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ, मैं कहीं जा रही हूँ and I'm not feeling good, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, तो I'll just put some makeup on my face and I will feel nice. So this is that kind of makeup tutorial. So if you're interested, you can watch this video. If you're not, फिर भी देख लेना भाई क्या जा. I look like a potato now. I think I should keep my hair in front only, otherwise I will look like a potato. This is like my makeup pouch. I got it from Miniso. It was like for around 400 to 500 rupees something. And it's really good quality. It's really nice. By the way, this is me and this is my setup. Yeah, never mind. Where the fuck is my mascara? Oh, I got it. I already got it, sorry. Okay, so first of all, I am applying this concealer which is already finished. बहुत ही कुछ भी नहीं बचा है भाई इसमें, like literally it's all gone. मैं इसको ना ऐसे घुमा के यूज़ करती हूँ ताकि थोड़ा product निकल आए because I'm broke. So yeah, just very little. And by the way, when I do like everyday makeup, like it's very light and shit, so like I don't prefer using what do we say, primer. So like in everyday makeup I don't prefer using primer because it's like very light. So yeah, like I'll put my concealer under my eyes, on the marks that I have, and everywhere. By the way, I'm wearing a bindi even before applying makeup because I don't know, it's just one day I wore bindi and ever since I haven't gone back. It is what it is. By the way, if you don't know me, I am a woman, I am a female, I'm a she. My name is Soumya. Again, I'm introducing myself. I'm 19 years old. I'm a cabin crew by profession, and my other love is YouTube, which I'm trying to grow on. And I live in Delhi, and YouTube is like my craziest love. I always wanted to be a YouTuber. So when I have a chance, I'm not being consistent, but I'm trying to be consistent now. और भाई दिल्ली में इतनी बारिश हो रही है ना यार, मतलब कसम से मेरे कपड़े नहीं सूख पा रहे भाई. Like literally बारिश होती रहती है. And I'm gonna talk very random shit in this video because I don't know, that just how it is me. I don't know what's happened with my English. I don't know what has happened with my English, but never mind. I think it's the trauma that I'm getting from Delhi. This lighting is so sick that it's not showing any kind of pimple and anything on my face, but I don't have a perfect skin. I have tons of pimple and a lot of texture on my face. For a really long some time I was not like filming videos because my room is not very content appropriate. It doesn't get any kind of sunlight or any like even any kind of light. I just made a very DIY kind of setup here, which is slapping me right now with the light, but never mind, we have to start from somewhere. So yeah, I've just started. So I've applied my concealer. Mostly I don't powder my concealer or like my base in day-to-day makeup, okay, but sometimes I do, and today is that sometime. Mostly I just powder my under eye area so that it won't crease, but still it creases. I wish I had like natural light in my room, तो मैं ये वीडियो उसमें शूट करती तो आपको अच्छा आइडिया होता कि that how the makeup will look. I think the light is too bright, right? I'm done with my concealer. Now I don't put concealer on my eyelid because I just don't like it. This is Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow. Where's the camera, bro? And this is in 04 number. And this, bro, this is one of the really great in budget palette. I'm using it for like 2 years now, and this is my love. It's very nice. You can use it for brows, for eyeshadow, for blush as well. So it's a really nice palette. By the way, I used Swiss Beauty concealer. This is my second favorite concealer. My first ever love was this LA Girl Pro, but ये ख़त्म हो गया और बहुत महंगा आता है. मैं बहुत ही broke थी तो मैंने नहीं खरीदा. So I switched to this one because this was very cheap. But I'll restock that one as well. This is in shade. Where's the shade, bro? Guys, इस concealer को बहुत ज़्यादा समय हो गया है. इसका shade मिट चुका है. Like I took this eyeshadow. You can see in my finger, it's like a very nudish kind of shade, and I will put it on my eyelid. And do you know, by the way, अभी सुबह के कितने बज रहे हैं? अभी सुबह के 6 बज रहे हैं, like सुबह के 5 बज रहे हैं, और मैं like literally शाम को उठी हूँ, तो मैं तब से जागी रही हूँ. I just took a shower और मैंने breakfast अभी किया है. But never mind, it is what it is. तो मैंने थोड़ा आई शेडो लगा लिया. It's looking really nice in real and on camera as well. It's looking like really nice. बहुत थोड़ा सा ना मैं ये ब्राउन वाला शेड लूँगी, like very less, और मैं इसको एकदम अपने top eyelid पे, like my light just was about to fall. I will just put it here, like here, that area, very near to my eyelash. I don't know, it just gives really nice depth to your eye. I don't know what depth means, but whatever. So the eyes are done now, like the eyelids are done now. So I'm just gonna do like mascara, and I love mascara. Like my eyes look like nice and very pretty after mascara. Just don't look at my face when I'm wearing mascara. I look very clownish. Is that even a word, by the way? But never mind. By the way, this mascara is so nice. It is from okay, so this is from Essence, the false lashes. I saw it in one of my favorite influencers video. She is called Arnakshi. She made such nice videos. I saw it in her video, and this mascara is really very nice. It's not a waterproof mascara, and I don't even like waterproof mascaras, क्योंकि भाई उसको हटाना ना एक अलग ही टाइप का ना एक जंतोजहद बन जाता है. It's a different kind of struggle altogether to like take it out, and half of my lashes will like fall. I don't even have a lot of lashes, and I don't want these also to go. So that's why I switched to non-waterproof mascara. It's just don't cry, that's it, which is like quite hard. तो मेरा concealer हो गया, मेरा mascara हो गया, मेरा eyelids हो गया. Now for the brows. This is the best thing for the brows. Once this starts getting dry, like it will get like dry and all, and it will get very clumpy, then my girl, you start, like you can, I'm not saying that you should, but I do it. It looks very nice and very natural. तो सब बोलते हैं कि अपने like brows को black मत करो and all, but it's not that black. And if you're Indian, then I think even if you like may fill up your brows with like black color, you just need to smooth it out. Just smooth it out with other like eyebrow spoolie, like we say spoolie, right? Whatever, eyebrow brush and all, then it will be perfectly fine. If you have a like dried up mascara, this mascara or any other mascara, but I think this mascara is the best brush. So you just need to do this a little, it will be dry, so there won't be much product on your like hand. If you see, there's not much product, but there is some, so we just need that product and just run through your eyebrow very lightly. Just run through, like you just need to comb your eyebrows, that's it, and voila, your eyebrows are done. This will give you such model like eyebrows and you will look like 10 out of 10, like बहुत सुंदर लगोगे आप, बहुत सुंदर, एकदम आग लगा. हाँ, मूविंग ऑनवर्ड. मेरी कमर, मेरे ना कंधे दर्द कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू द जिम टू मच. अभी मैं इसके बाद जिम जाऊँगी. ये सब पोता पाती करने के बाद मैं इसे निकालूंगी, फिर मैं जिम जाऊँ. सॉरी, I got tired. I just need to apply blush. This is my favorite blush, you guys. I've talked about it so many times in my shorts, in my other videos. I've been talking about this so much. I love this. I love. This is a purple blush. Well, if you have like a yellow undertone, this, or like warm undertone, this will look bomb. This will look really nice. So yeah, this is my favorite obsession. I'll take a little on my finger and then I'll just put it like here and then I'll blend it. Can you see? This looks so pretty in this lighting. I mean, looks really nice. Wow. I mean, just look at this. It looks so pretty. Anyways, this blush looks so nice. Or like everyday makeup routine हो या फिर शादी का makeup routine हो, I apply blush भर के because I think there are certain faces on which blush suits really nice, and I think I have one, like my baby kind of face, like whatever face I have, I don't know, with blush I look nice. I will even apply on my nose. Like I'm blush blind. I will not see कि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा blush लगाया and I'll be like, oh my god, I look so pretty. So yeah. Okay, तो blush हो गया है, सब कुछ हो गया है, and my makeup looks nice. Now comes the ultimate part, the lipstick thing. मेरी बहुत गंदी आदत है अपने होठों पे लिप बाम ना लगाने की, और मैं ना अपने chapped, crusty, dusty lips पे lipstick apply कर देती हूँ, which is you should not do that. But it's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me. At tea time, everybody agrees. So shut up. Now we're gonna apply lipstick. One thing which you can take from this video, you don't need very high-end products or like very very expensive. Yeah, expensive is the word. So like you don't need like very expensive kind of products to have a good makeup or like to look pretty. All of this makeup, like the lipstick is for like 250 something, the mascara is like for 300 or 400. Like I know being expensive is subjective. This is very cheap. This is from Nykaa. It's not even my shade, but I'm चला रही हूँ मैं काम जैसे तैसे करके भाई, चला रही हूँ मैं काम. This blush is for like 250 something. I think nothing here exceeds like 500. This is for like 250 something. This is normal brown pencil you will find in any drugstore. They'll give you for like 200 or 300. So yeah, your makeup shouldn't be like very, like if you're on a budget, still you can look very nice. You just need to be very jugadu. And I think I am a very jugadu person. That's why you should subscribe to my channel so that you can, learn some jugadu tips and tricks and you can make your life easy. Like, I know. Okay, तो मैंने एक बहुत ही ब्राउन कलर का लिप लाइनर लेकर अपने होठों के आसपास लाइन ड्रॉ की है, और मैंने थोड़ा सा ही वही, और मैंने फिर थोड़ा सेम वही लिप लाइनर अपने लिप्स में फिल भी किया है. So now my lips are looking like I smoke. Now there's a trick to applying lipstick, especially I follow this all the time and my lips look really nice and juicy and plump and everything. So you just need to apply lipstick in the middle, okay, like in the middle, okay, then you gotta blend it with your middle finger. Shut up. Like, okay, that's why using a brown lip liner, you getting it? After blending it, try to spread it on like थोड़ा सा अपने होठों से ना ऊपर, like जो तुम्हारी लिप की जो लाइन होगी ना, एक देखो दो लाइंस होती हैं लिप पे. One will be like a line which is not that prominent, one will be very prominent. So you have to like drag it to the line which is not that prominent. I hope that makes sense. Like I'm trying my best bro, but never mind. You have to blend it होल टॉप ऐसा तो लगना चाहिए तुम्हें किसी ने मुक्का मारा है या फिर तुम सो के उठो तुम्हारी लिपस्टिक फैल गया है. लाइक योर लिप्स लुक्स रियली नाइस, प्लम्प एंड जूसी. लाइक इट डजंट लुक बैड. लाइक इज इट लुकिंग बैड? No, right? Then you're gonna take a very less amount of lipstick. There's one more reason why you should follow me, because if you'll follow me, I will tell you how to use a product very wisely, that you use really less product and your product will last. What the? So you will take some product again, very less product, and then you will put it in the center. Now don't spread it that much. You just need to spread it in the center only, okay? Like just blend it in the center, very little, and here you go. Your lips will look something like this, and sorry, my makeup is done. So yeah, we done. And like this is my everyday makeup when I like go out to chill with my friends or something, then I do this kind of makeup, and I think I did a good job. What do you think, guys? Did you like my makeup? If you did, comment down below. If you want me to talk less, I know I talk a lot, but if you want me to talk less or anything, comment down below. If you hate me, comment down below. If you love me, comment down below. Whatever you're thinking, just comment down below. What you ate today, comment down below. What you're gonna eat tomorrow, comment down. Okay, jokes apart, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, whatever you wanna do with this video. This is all yours. Do it. Like, not all yours, bro, I created it, but so if you like this video, please subscribe, come back to my channel again when I post. If you want to ask me something, comment down. If you want to hit me up, you can hit me up on Instagram. I am always there, mandraung here and there, so yeah, I'm very active there. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.